Welcome to Firm 32.
Hi!
Mel. Okay, now what we want to talk about is Melanie. We've seen Khala all the time. We've seen her in her gaudy accessories.
Yes.
I wouldn't say the dress is a little gaudy, but I think the accessories really are over the top, with of course over the top performance that the character demands. How is Melanie in real life?
Melanie is...
I know she's not mellow.
she's not mellow, she's a mixture of everything. Because what the character that I portray, I can be convincing in it only if I have some traits of that in me. And
Right.
I do have some traits, not that I'm gaudy and shabby or something. I do take care of that. But as far as the craziness of Khala goes, yes, I'm too crazy. While I'm really crazy, I used to actually think that why is everybody outcasting me from their group and all. Am I so stupid or something? But then when I grew up later on, and people started complimenting me for the same thing, I knew that I was different. I was different from everyone because of my craziness. And usually even Amrapali, Tanveer, she usually keeps telling me ki the jokes and all that you crack, it's not the usual jokes that women crack, they're usually the jokes that men crack. I said, yeah, I've always been like that, very tomboyish in my school and my college, an athlete. I was in NCC, I did martial arts and taekwondo and kung fu. So I was always so kicked about all this workouts, physical workouts. I always tried to be like a man more than a woman, probably.
एक और सवाल आया था from the safety for women. You know, nowadays whatever happens, you talked about women need to be strong physically and mentally.
Yes.
Give some 5 top tips according to you that a woman should be prepared for in any eventuality.
Absolutely.
What are the 5 tips that you would give?
Firstly, आप किसी चीज़ को खुद मत उकसाओ. The very first thing of safety कि आप कोई चीज़ को खुद मत उकसाओ. Whenever you want to freak out, whenever you're out or something, see that you're always in a group. Or if you're not in a group, don't freak out. Freak out in a limit. Keep your limits. Draw your lines. Keep your limits. Even if you wear Western stuff, you're looking like a bomb, looking very glamorous, and no doubt about it. But see that you have people around you. You go in a group, people around you to take care of yourself, of themselves, of everyone around you basically. Secondly, always keep a pepper spray with you wherever you go, and you can even keep safety pins. I've used a lot of safety pins especially while traveling in the bus and all that.
Yeah, I have all. Oh, your face is just like, you know, it contorts. How do you do it?
I'm calm after the shows because I conserve energy for the shows. Oh God, I'm actually blessed. I'm blessed by having the opportunity and to get the opportunity of playing Khala. I accepted this role after they told me that Khala is supposed to be this. She's supposed to be a loud character, that's what they told me. Whatever she says, whatever she does, it's supposed to be loud. Rest, I played it accordingly, the way I wanted to play it. And just like I told you, some kidas are within me itself, some traits are within me itself. And the best thing is that you all accepted me in that form, you all loved me, you all gave me your inputs, and that motivated me, encouraged me. So I try to give my best and try not to go overboard. I mean, it's a nakamyab koshish.